Hey everybody, so today I'm going to talk about how to get the unnatural shine out of your wigs. So I bought this wig, it's Noriko, and it's called Meadow. It's in Spring Honey Rooted, that's the color. And I got it and I feel like it's just super shiny, and I feel like it doesn't look so real because of that. I think it's a super cute cut. I wanted another cut that was similar to John Renault's Ignite in length and not necessarily style, but I just wanted another shortcut, right? So anyway, how you get the shine out of your wigs or reduce the shine, you're not going to get rid of it totally, is dry shampoo. So it doesn't matter the brand. This is Dove. I got it at the grocery store. It's just, you can try whatever you have on hand or grab something at your local grocery store or CVS or something like that. So anyway, I am going to, you see the shine now. You can see it's very, very shiny. So I'm gonna shake this. Hopefully this works out. So I'm gonna spray it. Let's see what it says about how far away I should. Let's see, hold can making an L with your elbow. So, all right. Okay, so I'm gonna just do one side. Let's see if I can, so see, like, I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but I think it looks a little bit less shiny and a little bit more natural. Let me try this side because there's like this real shininess going on there. Just me getting it in my eyes. Did that help at all? I feel like maybe it did a little bit. I'm gonna do the back. Let's see, let's look at the back. What do you think? I'm gonna do a little bit more. And that's probably a lot. I don't know. In the past, I haven't used too much, but maybe it did take a little bit of the shine out. It kind of flattens that glossiness. I don't know. I think I'm gonna try wearing her out like this. Again, I was a little bit like not sure about the shininess level before, and I think maybe it did help a little bit. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, okay?